hosted by Matt Riches. $1 trillion tickers.
Watch the market unfold.
$1 trillion tickers.
Turning data to gold.
$1 trillion tickers. Watch the market unfold. $1 trillion tickers. Turning data to gold. $1 trillion tickers.
Watch the market unfold.
Good morning, good afternoon, or good evening. Wherever you're tuning in from around the globe. Peace, blessings, financial freedom. Peace, blessings, financial freedom. Peace, blessings, financial freedom. Welcome to the $1 Trillion Tickers broadcast. I'm your host, Matt Riches. Yes, I am running late. Yes, this show will be extremely short. So, yeah, that's what it's going to be today. I did do the pre-market briefing show. It was probably about 10 minutes. So if you want to get everything from there, you want to get the mantra, you want to get Robert Greene's Daily Law, you can just check out the pre-market briefing show. But let me just give you some little something before we cut it short today. All right, so we did have a major overnight pull. We did have a sharp pullback since 9 a.m. yesterday, and then overnight in the market as well, we had a pullback. SPX did hit 7,514 yesterday, and the NAS 100 did hit 29,673. So we've been pulling back ever since then. As you can see, SPY is down 1.25%. QQQ is down over 1.5% today. So I just wanted to tap in, man. But let me see, what else can I give y'all before we cut this short? So basically, the U.S. said China could buy the chips. China said, we don't know if we want them anymore. But, all right. But the major thing is the 10-year Treasury note. That was the major thing that is causing the market to sell off. The 10-year Treasury. Let me pull it up on the chart. This is what's causing all the damage. See right here? This is the 10-year Treasury yield note. And this is yesterday, Thursday. And then it gapped up. It was down here at 4.46. I remember we went over that on the show yesterday. And it gapped up all the way up here. So now it's at 4.57. You know, once this gets to 4.50, it starts putting pressure on the market. And right now it's 4.57. So that plus the Nvidia headline is what's causing the sell-off. So I want y'all to be aware of that. The VIX also spiked up. The VIX did run all the way. It did gap up overnight. And then it ran all the way to 19.27. But it has been in a downtrend since 5:35. It's now down to 18.74. So keep that in mind. But everything gapped down overnight. All right, let's check out SPY. SPY is at 738.42. QQQ is at 706.51. Nvidia is at 226.18. Just down 4%. Google is down 1.5% at 394.72. Apple is down 0.5% at 296.88. Microsoft is up 1.39% to 415. I believe Microsoft is up because Bill Ackman said Microsoft is now a core position in his portfolio. I did have that on the news, but I'm not going to be able to get to it today. Amazon is down 2.15% at 261.43. TSM is down 3.84% at 401.50. AVGO is down 3.5% at 424.48. Meta is down almost 1.5% at 609.78. Tesla is down 4% at 425. Samsung sold off. It is down 8.6% today to 270,500. Walmart is up 0.5% at 133.11, and Berkshire B is up 0.5% at 486.61. So yeah, it's been a wonderful week. We've been hitting all-time highs every single day. It looks like we're not going to end the week hitting the all-time high, but we did hit all-time highs yesterday on Thursday. So you should still be up a lot in your accounts. So it's not going to run every day, y'all. But it has been a wonderful week. And we'll be back tomorrow to do some charting. I appreciate y'all for tuning in. This is the shortest show ever because I'm running late. But we still did tap in. Let me see what else I could give in the next 2 minutes. All right, market caps: Nvidia 5.47 trillion, Google 4.75 trillion, Apple 4.36 trillion, Microsoft 3.07 trillion, Amazon 2.81 trillion, TSM 2.08 trillion, AVGO 2.01 trillion, Tesla 1.6 trillion, Meta 1.55 trillion, Samsung 1.18 trillion, Walmart 1.05 trillion, Berkshire B 1.04 trillion. Let's check the Fear and Greed Index. Still at 65, even though the sell-off happened. Well, it's not even really a sell-off. It's just a little pullback. But, yeah, that's it, y'all. Let's check out the sectors. Yeah, that's a good way to end it. Check out the sectors, y'all.
Hosted by Matt Richards.
Technology is down 2.19%. Consumer discretionary down 1.6%. Communications down 0.34%. Energy is up 1.5%. Looks like energy just filled this gap to the upside. So that's good. Financials is down, barely under break even. Healthcare is down 0.14%. Consumer staples. Consumer staples is barely over break even at 85.06. Utilities is down almost 1%. Industrials is down 1.5%. Materials is down over 2%, headed toward the gap. And real estate is down 1.37%. All right, we'll be back tomorrow. We doing some charting. Appreciate y'all for tuning in. You know how we like to end the show with some Instagram motivation, y'all.
Chase excellence, never chase money. Why? Because money has an incredible way of finding excellence. Did you chase excellence and not money? Do you have the intellectual curiosity to learn everything you can about this incredible industry and master it? Become the smartest person in the room. Have you mastered it?
It don't happen overnight, and there's gonna be moments when it's really, really frustrating, and there's gonna be moments when it's really, really inspiring and empowering. And if you get too high off the highs and too low off the lows, you're gonna take yourself on a ride that's very uncomfortable. I think it's just about being committed to the work and appreciating it, when it's good and not stressing too bad when it's bad, just appreciating the work and staying focused on showing up every day.
And that's what we do here on the Trillion Dollar Tickers broadcast. I'm your host, Matt Richards. We show up every day. Yes, this is a very short show, but I still showed up, so we still got the momentum going. Peace, blessings, financial freedom.
Hosted by Matt Richards.
Peace, blessings, financial freedom. Peace, blessings, financial freedom.
$1 trillion tickers. Watch the market unfold. $1 trillion tickers.